Hello my dear students, today we are going to learn step by step grammar lesson number 8, the pronoun. So we are going to learn about its definition. A pronoun is a word used instead of noun. Means the word we can replace by the noun. We can put instead of noun another word that is called a pronoun. So let us we are going to learn about. Again we want to know if in the sentence there is we want to avoid repetition of noun, we are using noun. So we want to avoid unnecessarily repetition, that time we are using pronoun. So underline the pronouns now. He, she, it, they, them. So those are called a pronoun. And now we are going to learn pronoun. I have solved for you. So I have underlined for you which is the pronoun. He had a close brush with the dead bird. His elder brother rushed to his rescue. So in that sentence, he and his. It is a, instead of that noun, here we use he and his. Suppose Raju had a close brush with dead bird Raju. So here we want to use Raju's elder brother. So here Raju and Raju we have not written. Instead of that we have used here he and his. So instead of noun we use here pronoun. So he and his, it is a pronoun. So let us go through next sentence. Our exams will be over in April. So our self, our is a pronoun and it is a used, avoid name of yours. So we want to use our. So third number, they are all as dear to me as my own children. So they means some children are there. So themselves names are not there, but here we have used instead of that names they only as a pronoun. Are all the dear to me. So me is also pronoun as my own children. Here my also own, my also pronoun. I want you to shoot the parrot's eyes. So I is a pronoun, you is also pronoun. Let me check, open your mouth. Me and your, those are pronouns. So next exercise, we want to put suitable pronoun in the fill in the blank. Choose the correct word from the bracket and fill in the blanks. Dash dash am 9 years old. So he am we are not using, always I am we are using, so I is suitable here. So second number, dash dash are my best friend, she and you, that is a pronoun, so suitable form is you are my best friend. Then third number, dash dash favorite cartoon is Tom and Jerry. So my and I. In that my is suitable for there. My favorite cartoon is Tom and Jerry. Fourth number, dash dash name is Geeta. So she name we are not using. So her name is Geeta, we can say. Fifth number, The teacher punished they or them. So you can look, the teacher is punishing, so the teacher punished them is suitable pronoun. So now next, third number example. Rewrite the sentences using the suitable pronoun instead of the underlined noun. So in that sentence, there is underlined words are there, that nouns. We want to use here suitable pronoun. So the farmers, there is underline. The sons, under there is also underline part. So we want to use for the farmer suitable pronoun. Before that, I want to say briefly about he we are using for boys and all the men. She we are using for the girl and all the females. It we are using for the non-living things and living thing also, but we don't know its gender then. And they we are using for the many, someone, something, they, them, and we also, it is a plural pronoun. So as per that noun, we are using that pronoun. The first one, the farmers thought of a way to show the farmer's son how foolish the sons were. In that sentence, the farmer, that one person, that is a noun, and here is again one farmer is coming. It is a repetition of that farmer and this farmer. So we are writing here instead of noun, pronoun. So the farmer thought of the way to show his. So farmers it is there, so suitable pronoun is his. Son, how foolish the sons, that is also name, that is also noun. So instead of that noun, we are using they, a suitable pronoun, they were. So how we can use to write, the farmer thought of a way to show his sons how foolish they were. So his and they, that pronoun we have used instead of noun, and then we have interchanged that sentence correctly here. Now next sentence. So here you want to write full sentence downside, and just only this change you want to write, instead of that old lady you want to write she only. So how you want to write, a stone hit the old lady on the head and she was wounded. So don't write again the old lady here, and that sentence, same sentence you want to write on the line, but instead of the old lady you want to use to write she. Don't write again the old lady. So next third number sentence, as per like that you want to write here same sentence here using with it only instead of the newspaper. So I will read that sentence. Here you want to write as an answer, the boy threw the newspaper, it is lying near the door. So like that you want to use to write. Fourth number, the boys were on the playground, they were flying the kite. That sentence you want to write in the fill in the line. Fifth number, the dog started wagging its tails. So instead of the dogs we are using here it. So that sentence you want to write on the line again. Then Meera is a good girl, I like she because she works hard. So that sentence you want to write Mira is a noun, and instead of that noun we have used suitable pronoun she, and here also she. 7 number, when the girl saw the dog, she ran after it and the dog bite her. So here the girl, the main girl is here now, and repetition of that girl again here, and again repetition is here. But here we use she, and here dog we knows, but that is a male or female we don't know. That is why we have used here it, and the dog bite her. We are not writing here she, we are using here her as suitable form of pronoun. So you want to use to write that sentence below on the line. 8 number and next one. The boys went to school, but the boys, instead of the boys, they were using, they were late and principal was angry with them. So that the boys, and there is also the boys, but here is they and there is a them. As per the situation and the sentence, we are using the plural pronouns they and them. So last one, 9 number. The students found a box in the class. It was very big. They found a few pens in it. So there is also box. We are using, that is non-living thing. So we are using here it. There is a students, plural form of pronoun is they, and that is also non-living thing it. So we have used here sentence as per interchange of noun into pronoun. So that sentences you want to write one more time on the line. Don't copy whatever I have done here. So you want to write full sentence below and underline the change we have done. So you want to underline it while you are writing full sentence like that. So here the pronoun, the lesson is over. Thank you. Have a nice day.